Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a simple South Indian style chicken fry. So let's get started and check out the recipe. The ingredients required to make this recipe are half a kilo of chicken with bone, and to dry roast here I have taken around 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, around 5 to 6 red chilies, 2 bay leaf, 2 cloves, 3 cardamom, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 medium sized onion finely chopped, around 6 crushed garlic cloves, half a tablespoon of fennel seeds, half a tablespoon of cumin seeds, 2 tablespoons of lemon or lime juice, salt as per taste, 1 sprig of curry leaves, half a cup of coriander leaves for garnishing, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, half a tablespoon of turmeric powder, and 3 tablespoons of oil. Let's see the preparation method. First we need to make masala powder. So for that, take a pan and add in the whole spices, that is bay leaf, cardamom, cinnamon stick, cloves, red chilies and coriander seeds, and dry roast them for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame and then grind it into a fine powder. The masala powder is done and ready. Let's start making chicken fry. To make chicken fry, add in 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Once the oil is heated up, add in cumin seeds and fennel seeds. Once they start spluttering, add in onions and crushed garlic cloves and fry them till the onions turns golden brown. Now add ginger garlic paste and fry until the raw smell disappears. Now goes in curry leaves and turmeric powder. Now it's time to add in the chicken pieces and mix everything well. Now close the lid and allow it to cook for 5 minutes on medium flame. It's been 5 minutes. Now it's time to add in the grinded masala powder and 1 tablespoon of salt or as per your taste and half a cup of water. Give it a good mix. Now close the lid and allow it to cook for 10 minutes on medium flame and stir in between. It's been 10 minutes. Now let's open the lid. Yes, as you can notice that the masala is nicely separated from the oil and the pieces are perfectly cooked. Now turn off the flame and add some lemon juice and coriander leaves on top of it and serve it hot. That's it. Our simple yet delicious chicken fry is done and ready. Enjoy with the chapati, roti, fulka or even with plain rice. If you like this recipe, do try at home and let me know in the comment section below, and share my videos with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for latest updates. Thank you.